As soon as they see, Adena Western Palace. This place here is the most beautiful place in Freetown. So all we man then, we are, when we can Freetown, we can visit this place here. The place is owned by Batilo Sunga. Batilo Sunga. This is a very, very beautiful place. Very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful place. Me and Alpha from Germany. I dey here today. Na Batilo in new place where you don't open. Na Aberdeen Beach. Na Aberdeen Beach. We are anytime una come. We are una come visit this place here. Very, very beautiful. Very, 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 very beautiful. See? Look at the sea. Now, yeah. See the sea? Una they get the sea breeze. The sea breeze. You know see? Una the sea? Very beautiful. Very, very accommodative. Very, very beautiful. The best place to be, you know. As I dey talk so, I dey enjoy myself at the moment, you know. So the Chronicles, at any time when I come here, this is your bar. This is your bar. As usual, I'm Alpha Bar from Germany. I dey in a salon today. I dey enjoy myself. Now we border in bar. We border Batilo Sunga.